Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby.
So y'all, welcome back to another vlog. In this particular vlog here, y'all, I will be making some dinner. I'm having cinnamon rolls along with some menudo that my mom prepared for me. And yes, y'all, it has been a good day so far, just prepping for decorating my Christmas tree. Yeah, I think the cinnamon rolls are done, so let's go ahead and take them out the oven. Now it's definitely time for a taste test on these cinnamon rolls. Yeah. Working on decorating my Christmas tree. My tree is kind of naked right now. Help me decorate my tree. All I want for Christmas is
What? It's Roche.
I just want you for my own. Bounce. All I want for Christmas. I just want you for my own. All I want for Christmas. Than you could ever know. 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 I wish went missing. Just up here, right? Well, folks, as you can see, the Christmas tree has been decorated and I am loving it. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and do these dishes and get ready for bed. But it was nice hanging out with you guys for Vlogmas, and I hope that you guys have a beautiful night and we will talk soon. Have a good night. I went ahead and added more decor to my tree, and that's simply because I had a lot of different trinkets still left. For instance, I have this gigantic bow, like a gigantic bow. Also, I have these stockings, this Christmas stockings, which this is a black Santa, and he reminds me of my grandpa, so definitely had to put that on a Christmas tree. Definitely feeling that. What else? And I actually do have another Christmas stocking that I have here, and I'm gonna stuck Teddy's gifts in those. And I know I have one more around here, I just can't find it. But yeah, I'm just maximizing my tree, just with extra stuff. It's so beautiful. I love it.